Yeah, bro.
For sure, you get the hearts.
Hey, you see all the Huns chat, gents. All the Huns chat there. Huns tend to throw themselves into me now because, you know, when you're in this kind of space, and I'm the type of person that doesn't work like that. You know, like Huns, bro, will do anything to get in the light. So I want a certain Hun that will be there even if the MCing is gone.
Sure.
You see, I don't want a Hun who's here today because I'm Mr. Monate THATA. Tomorrow when I fall off, he's not there.
Sure.
So I don't want that. I don't want that.
Oh yeah, come on.
Yeah, bro. Like people.
You understand I wanna be.
Yeah, I saw this one video from my G Readers. I think he was at Katoro. Yeah, the DJ. He was at Katoro. Someone was singing that Mtumbini song. I'm like, this guy claims he's an MC. Come on now.
It's like you.
Yeah, come on now. And this is painful because even when I get there.
Who's the MC?
I don't know his name. I don't know his name, honestly.
When was it?
Yeah.
Like, this past weekend?
Some weekends back, 2 weekends back. Yeah. So, and this makes DJs to say, you know what? When I DJ, I don't want an MC. Yeah. I don't want.
Yeah, when I MC, you know, I think like
So, hosting a huge event like this, you can't just say last minute day, no, gents, because now we can't use that plan. We have to make it. It's not easy like that.
So then when planning, didn't they consider what such things will happen because it's
on that, okay, on that I don't know because I'm not that in that room. Yeah, I'm just a promoter there. But what I know is it wouldn't, like, if we pushed to, we wouldn't have enjoyed.
Nasty.
Yeah, well, I guess.
I'm always fighting with my brother.
You guys are fighting.
Let's see Aries.
Yeah. Well, I'm a slime.
Aries, bro.
I'm a slime.
Yeah, I understand you because you're from PTA.
I'm a slime as well, so it's Reese every day, bro. Aries cooks.
You plan to get this. Then 25 tournament was and then so I change so you're not the person.
This is why I say every artist does that. And that's bro, I've chilled with artists, bro. I don't want to name drop. I've chilled with big artists, you may know. Artists, you know that they have girlfriends. Or whatever.
What up, we're back again. It's your boy Scott SUTT from 1246 of the Vibescape Origin Podcast. VSOP, the government. When the topic is off, topic! That's the vibes. We're not alone. Hey, my brother. VSOP, the government. When the topic is off, topic! That's go. We're not alone. We're with our group, the best MC in Northwest.
Yeah.
How you doing?
How you guys doing? Hey yo, good people, what's happening? My boy, my name is BU, I don't know why I pronounced Bunny, the best MC in town, also known as Mr. HOMONATI THATA. HOMONATI
Yes. You know the vibes. Watching you, my brother, we see you.
Yeah, bro.
For sure, you get the hearts.
Hey, you see all the Huns chat, gents. All the Huns chat there. Huns tend to throw themselves into me now because, you know, when you're in this kind of space, and I'm the type of person that doesn't work like that. You know, like Huns, bro, will do anything to get in the light. So I want a certain Hun that will be there even if the MCing is gone.
Sure.
You see, I don't want a Hun who's here today because I'm Mr. Monate THATA. Tomorrow when I fall off, he's not there.
Sure.
So I don't want that.
Oh yeah.
But
how do you balance like school?
No, that one is easy, gents. You see, with my chat, I schedule myself.
Sure.
And my manager helps with this. Monday to Thursday, it's academics. You see, but then now because we're on recess and thingy, I'm allowed to move and maneuver like that. But then Monday to Thursdays is academics, and then Fridays just weekend, J. It's gigs one week.
Fridays,
Shout
out to the manager.
Yeah, shout out.
Who's the manager?
Yeah, he's good, man. Yeah.
It's a good thing.
Yeah, and again, gents, this guy, he's not just a manager, he's a brother to me. He works a lot, bro. He makes sure the stage is clear for me, make sure that transport is ready. When I get there, my drinks are there, and the money's in my account. So yeah, man, shout out to my G, shout out to my G.
The reason to ask is because we know with age, this thing can be hectic at some point.
Yeah, it does,
Can
it
be
does,
hectic.
yeah.
So we're just curious, with like, how can you like manage all these things at
Yeah.
once? You know?
Again, gents, state of mind, that's important, you know. Your mental health is very important. You need
That's
to,
the first one.
yeah, that's the first one, bro. You need to be in a good space. So I try to not be in a space that's closing my thinking, my creativity. So yeah, man, I'm up there, bro.
Yeah.
I make sure the books, I get the work done, and then after that, I have fun, because my job is just having fun, bro.
Yeah.
It's nothing serious like that. You're just having fun. Make sure people are having fun. That's it, bro.
So do you plan before you go to
Yeah.
the groove or clubs or whatever?
To-
Do you plan with it? Or maybe do you rehearse or prepare with okay, I'm gonna be saying so
Why you allowed in my car?
Or you just figure it then you just try.
Okay, gents. We are different, guys. With me, this thing is talent, bro. I can't just practice and whatever. With me,
Just raw.
it's just raw, like that, unfiltered. So I'm not the kind of MC just does hala hulu.
Yeah.
But it's a you know,
Yeah.
I bring something unique. This is what makes me different. Yeah, I'm not just any MC. People want me now because they know that this guy brings something different.
Yeah.
Something we've never seen before. He's not just like any MC who does Wezala and Wirala.
Yeah.
You know, bro, once I say HOMONATI THATA, you know the hearts go crazy.
Hey, we saw also they were like, hey, these hands now.
Yeah, come on now.
So now I understand. Like, at what stage, like, now color community, TSHEPO from now.
Yeah,
I'm an MC.
yeah, okay. With that,
Like take us back to
Yeah.
the love of MCing.
yeah.
Sure.
So what happened is I was a recording artist, bro. I was recording amapiano, recording hip hop. Back then, from 2019, bro, I was recording songs. I have songs, bro, a lot of them. So I saw that, you know, this music thing is coming slow to me. Because you're telling me I have to make songs, release on YouTube, only to get 4 views.
Yeah.
You're not getting there. You see, you're not getting there. And I've been in this game for long, gents. So that's when I was like, you know what? I'm quitting this music thing because it's not working out for me. Then I fell in love with MCing, bro, because I started MCing in 2022. Yeah, I started MCing in 2022, but there I was, learning, getting my way into things. And yeah, eventually I got the fame from back home. And then also in Mamelodi. Mamelodi knows me.
Oh, you're from PTA?
Yeah, I'm from PTA.
Shut up.
Yeah, also Mamelodi. Mamelodi knows me, bro.
Victoria.
Panapirara.
Yeah.
Those who know, they know, bro.
Yeah. Tough.
So yeah, that's how I got into MCing, bro, because I saw that music's not working for me. Then I decided, you know what, let me just cook this, and I'm having fun, yeah.
So then how did you start? Because as a music producer, and like, if I'm a music producer, maybe know the FL, then so then how did you start? Because what I think it is, you didn't start with maybe 20 event.
Yeah.
Then like, how did you come up being an MC?
No, that one is easy. If you are a recording artist, the things you do on the mic, ISHU, what's up? But those things you were writing there, you cook those things to people because now it gets directly to them. You don't have to wait, produce the full song, and then get it to the people. Now you just
on your own.
you just take whatever you have, and then you shoot it straight to the people. People love it, bro. They always respond nicely to it.
But then that thing can be like, at some point I feel like that thing can be so hectic. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Like entertaining people these days, man, it's kind of hectic. Yeah, especially when it comes to like maybe as a stand-up comedy.
Yeah.
To
on the stage,
to entertain people,
because
these days,
because it's a different thing, because it's not a recorder, maybe let's say it's a studio, it's a recording one.
Yeah.
Sure.
It's a recorder. Remember when they take like time, then I need time to take but I probably record live in front of the crowd saying how the pressure, we have to like
My question is like, how do you like like get the stage into like the way you want.
vibe,
Yeah. How do you
Yeah,
handle
right.
the dead crowd?
Okay, yeah. Firstly, you have to bring the vibe.
Yeah.
You have to be the vibe when you get there. And on the other chat, boy, when you go to group, everyone is happy there. You get? Everyone is having fun vibes. So what you need to do is stick to what you're good at. Don't try something new on the stage. Because when you try something new, you will fumble. And then people will now say, keep a low MC. Yeah. So yeah, bro. And I've seen a lot of those, man. I've seen MCs getting kicked off the stage. Yeah. I've seen the DJs cutting them off. You know. I've seen them.
And I wanted to the battle between DJs and MCs.
Yeah.
Whereby I'm a DJ, but
That is true. That is true, bro. But I can't speak for other MCs. I can only speak for myself.
Yeah.
So, but you know, in MCing is hard, bro. You have to listen. You have to have like timing. You can't just be on top of the vocals or singing. There are these MCs. Apparently here, I'm also surprised. Here in Mafikeng, bro, MCs sing with the vocal. I'm like, what? What's this now?
So what you mean, like they're performing the song?
They're performing the song. That's
That's not allowed. That's allowed.
I don't think that's allowed, because now you're singing with them like you're just making noise.
No,
You're not making people enjoy the song. You're not making them vibe.
So you're saying, come on.
Yeah, bro. Like people.
You understand I wanna be?
Yeah, I saw this one video from my G Redust. I think he was at Katoro. Yeah, the DJ. He was at Katoro. Someone was singing that Mtumbini song. I'm like, this guy thinks he's an MC. Come on now.
It's like you.
drama show
Yeah, come on now. That's never games, and this is painful because even when I get there,
who's that MC?
I don't know his name. I don't know his name, honestly.
When was it?
Yeah.
Like, this past weekend?
2 weekends back. Yeah. So, and this makes DJs to say, you know what? When I DJ, I don't want an MC.
Yeah.
I don't want.
Yeah, when I MC,
I think from the way you understand now, I think the whole perspective, the whole purpose of being an MC would see to hype up the crowd.
Yeah, hype up the crowd.
Then you can't hype up the crowd. You're already a hype. I will issue you make my call. Then you have a pin the food. So I think over MC meaning like. Especially when I'm a vocal.
Yeah. Because now when it's just the beat, people are waiting for that part only. Now it's just the song with that vocals. Now when I get there with my own vocals, it's a blast. That's how I cook it. I don't go with vocals. I don't climb vocals. I don't do that. I leave the song with vocals so people can enjoy the song. Because I want to enjoy the song as well. I don't want to ruin the song, bro. But there are songs, even though they don't have vocals, you can MC on. Songs like Iplani. You see, that's just a banger, bro. That one you leave for everyone to enjoy. Yeah, that one you just leave for people to enjoy it. And again, I understand the beef between DJs and MCs. But you know, there are some DJs who just hate MCs for no reason. And
I thought you guys are working like.
Yeah, do you have a DJ?
Yeah, I have my own DJ.
Oh, in the spotlight.
Yeah, in the spotlight most of the times.
Yeah.
But hey, bro, some of them are Barbara. Matter of fact, I'm helping them. Yeah.
Yeah, you're helping them.
These DJs, some of them are Barbara. Yeah. Because when I'm there, people don't see or listen to your mistakes. They're focusing to the bunny now. Yeah. But then when you teach her the mic now, you bore people. Because what are you doing now, you see?
Yeah.
But I get it. There'll always be beef in this game. But I focus on what I do best, and I focus on being positive, man. Because we grow.
So MCing is a new thing.
It's
been there.
It's been there. MC has been there.
Mina why you notice that no?
Obvious, kind of cool. Like I still
yeah. Some are bad.
If you force this shit, obvious will be bad. You don't have to like it, doing it has to be in you.
MCing has always been there, bro.
Mm.
It has always been there. It's just that now it gets to a level that
Yeah, it's never
people are noticing MCing now.
Yeah.
MCing has always been there, bro.
There's this thing, but you Konama resident DJ, maybe let's say at the Palace.
Oh yeah.
Then Lumutu Lala every weekend, la prayer, almost
Okay.
of the time, place la prayer. Like, Guma MC call and then go to Gunama resident MCs.
Okay, yeah, there are, but I think it's all in booking. Like for example, if a certain place gets me and say, you know what, boy, you are resident here. We give you this much, like we agree. It's on agreeing. They say we give you this much. You just always be here, and then bring in the vibe. We make sure that you're good. Then yeah, I'm gonna be a resident there.
Then you so per month,
Yeah.
pay kid.
Yeah,
Damn.
yeah, it works like that.
So then, what happens like every weekend la prayer? Why not my car?
Yeah,
Yeah,
sure.
that one,
Never trying to give my MC. Why not my car?
But it's good you from PTA, bro.
Yeah,
PTA is a vibe.
Yeah, PTA is a vibe, bro.
How's the transition from like I'm a event as a PT and I'm a event as a MFK?
To me, bro, work is work, bro. Because at the end of the day, it's groove.
Over the room,
Yeah, it's
I want to phone pendulum.
At the end of the day, it's groove, bro. And yeah, but coming to vibes, PTA is vibes, bro. If you know
Yeah.
PTA, yeah, groove culture there, PTA is vibes, bro.
Headfield.
Headfield, bro. Come on now, come on now.
PTA.
Everyone knows it. Come on now. So at this place is nice, bro. I love Mafeking because it has the vibe, bro. People here,
Yeah, my
they,
brother. What's nice here, my brother?
I'm telling you, man. You see, don't sleep on Mafeking, boy.
But my thinking is nice.
Get to know it.
I think my thinking is nice when Ocha like
Or when you are in my space.
Yeah. But otherwise, a person like often I'm fun activities, none like they are.
It's gonna be difficult.
For you to go. But I in my free time I check out places around Mafeking.
What kind of places do you check out?
I've checked Zen10 with my team. The place is proper, gents. You should just go out and check places. Just don't write it off.
Yeah.
Mafeking is a good place, gents. There is still hope here. There are places like 14 Junction, bro.
There's
I'm
still
telling you.
hope.
There is still hope. It's not all that bad, bro. Mafeking is
Shoot,
nice.
it's bad, but
Market, you don't know. Anybody else in Tanzania, yeah, market is marketing.
I understand from you.
But then shout out to you, shout out to you.
I saw your performance go 14 Junction.
Yeah.
Posted recently.
Mm-hmm.
What was that harness to you? Is she a DJ? Or?
You're talking about the performance where you saw a video
I
where
think you were.
we were sharing Bulweti dance, and it was me, a certain Han, and the other MC.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Her name is DJ Bobby.
She's
She
a
cooks.
DJ.
Yeah, she cooks, bro. A great DJ.
It was
DJ.
a great
Yeah.
performance.
She's from African then.
Yeah, she's from around here. Yeah, that was the first time I saw her as well. But yeah, she's
Oh.
a,
Yes.
yeah, because it's work, bro.
Chemistry.
Like how
Yeah.
did you like
Yeah.
learn these dance moves? Like Velen, I found that instantly.
Yeah, I mean dance moves you see them on TikTok. Yeah, they trend a lot. So you see them there
That's
now.
nice.
Yeah.
Groove connects people. Though.
Yeah, it does. It does, bro.
So Span, Vela.
Yeah,
How
I'm
you
very
exciting?
I'm very professional, and my manager is very strict, bro.
Just a minute. So then there's this thing like ngicabanga
Yeah.
whereby yabona like I'm a big artist
Yeah.
like big artist. They have like banamagada and then like baba booka ngamagada and
Yeah.
then uthola amagada siwacela efridge
Yeah.
emakhabethini nan. So then for upcoming MCs now they like amagada nan. I think if maybe bangathatha amagada by converted to imali, then you could like a booking fee. Won't that like or why what bangayenzi kanjalo?
It can still work, bro, because at the end of the day, you are the one that sets the thing. If I want you to perform at my gig, I'll say, bro, tell me what do you need. You'll say, okay, give me this money and include riders. Or you can say, don't include riders.
Give me
this money. Yeah.
Well, it happens like that. Bakulu made a background.
Yeah, we talk. We negotiate. Me showing face in that specific event this means we agreed on something. Yeah, we all agreed.
So then there's this thing, but hey, just came on the industry there.
Yeah, the industry
The
is
industry
good,
just
bro.
came about. So
Yeah.
then there's this thing with about become artist.
Yeah.
Then from that point, I get more booking artists, maybe part of booking fee before
Yeah,
they
yeah.
come. Then after performing, booking fees, but it's a lane, I was saying, "Yes, my lab." Saying, how do you navigate that?
Okay, with me, the rules are simple, bro. If the money is not in my account before the event, I'm not coming.
Full amount.
Yeah, the full amount. I don't play deposit, what.
Then if
Put a
something
deposit, put a deposit fee,
Yeah.
then gune mali uyithola after the
Because
performance.
that can be if, other clubs don't trust artists. They say, someone you can book that person and they don't pitch. Yeah. But with me, I make sure that I'm there. So I want my money in my account, full amount.
Full amount.
Yeah, in my account.
Shut up.
Yeah, because these organizers, bro, you can't trust them. Yeah, you can't trust them because now they'll give you that deposit amount and then they won't give you the last amount. You see, because now you've done your work. There's nothing you can do. People saw what they saw. It's chat. Yeah. So a way to avoid all these things, you just give me my money and then I come and preach, and then after event we don't talk anything. It's chat. Yeah, that's how. Yeah.
You say you chaperone your first year?
Yeah, this is my first year, bro. It's only how many months? I don't know how many months. Yeah, it's only months now.
Because
Yeah.
what was that? I think it was during orientations or whatsoever. Around King City or something.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
That was
the first time
Imagine,
you born,
like
Yeah.
first time
Yeah,
already.
Yeah, that was that's where it all started, bro. That
Yeah.
event there on CDB. Yeah, that's where it all started. That's when I took the mic because they were just playing music. I said, you know what? Pass me the mic there.
Let me show you how
what I got. So yeah, that's when I said, you know what? Pass me the mic, bro. Let me show you what I can do on the mic.
Yeah.
And then everyone noticed me there, bro. Yeah. That's when
yeah.
everyone noticed me there. Then they say, hey, that's this boy. This boy's cooking now. Come on now.
Now you did
So
that
yeah.
outside.
I don't know. Yeah. I had it.
So my brother, how do you see yourself? You see yourself in this industry after
Industry.
stuff like that.
I'm willing to grow, bro. I see myself growing every day.
Yeah.
So I know you see at this rate I'm with, cause chance, I'll tell you something, it's luck that gets you in the game, but it's hard work that keeps you there.
Control.
Like you have to work hard, bro. So I'm gonna work hard, bro, to get my name there. I'm gonna work hard to make sure that I make it to the big stages. You see.
Big stages, I saw you post a freshers.
Yeah.
How did that come about?
Okay, freshers. I got hit up before the lineup was out. And I was told that, you know what, boy, we're gonna plug you there,
Yeah,
freshers.
yeah,
You're gonna
yeah.
be there. So yeah, man. That's
So was handling all the stuff the MC.
at freshers, I was gonna maybe have slots because there
Oh.
were like 4 MCs if you saw on the poster. Yeah.
yeah.
But anyways, bro, that's how I got the slot because
Someone plugged you.
Yeah, I had a call. They told me that hey, boy, this is what's gonna happen. We're gonna plug you at freshers.
They told you when,
Before they could even introduce the first artist.
artist.
Hey,
I knew.
bruh.
Yeah, I knew before they could introduce the first artist that I'm on the lineup. Yeah.
Are you looking up to it, the
Yeah.
upcoming, if they...
Yeah, I'm looking up to it, bro. But we're only not focusing on freshers, bro. We're focusing on growing. Let's make it to big stages. Let's make it to Loftus. Let's make it to F&B. Tino Cafe. Let's make it to Poriland now. Come on now. We're growing.
We move.
We move. Yeah.
So at some point, you feel some your wishes to work with big artists at some point, like to have like a collabo.
How do MCs, to add on this question, how do I'm an MC collab with artists?
Yeah.
Okay, there's this new thing now that MC do now. But only DJ Maporisa platform. DJ Maporisa makes a song and then these MCs, they record on that song. Now it's a blast. And who is that? I'm not sure. Maybe they'll check. Mark Koza. That's the song. That's an MC there.
So your name is even added on the song.
Yeah, they add your name on the song. Like
Shit.
for example, great example, Uncle MC. Uncle now is a recording artist, but we know him as an MC.
As an MC,
Yeah. You see, and those things that he's singing on those songs, he comes again in MC with the same lyrics.
So the MC is the artist.
Yeah,
Basically artist.
basically your artist. Yeah.
So
your
then,
artist.
at some point, you might venture back to music.
Yeah, but when I'm there, bro, I can't just hop into music now. Yeah, you see, if
Because
DJ Maporsa hits me up and say, hey boy,
That's what
come on now, stay yeah, I'll be there.
Oh
Be there.
God, especially if you're
Yeah.
in the music industry.
Yeah.
Or this
We have
industry.
that. But Aish, in this game, music thing, there's a lot of corruption.
Yeah.
Someone didn't get his money, royalties, whatever. So Aish, I just lost hope in that thing, bro, because now everyone does music. But not.
And some of them, they do not even belong there.
Yeah,
'cause
true.
they're just winning everything.
Yeah, some of them are just there because of the hype now.
Yeah.
Now people are pushing quantity over quality. Yeah. So
TikTok songs.
yeah, TikTok songs cover that. But we're not there. You should.
So then there's this thing whereby I'm an artist, like MCs,
Yeah.
when they come up, ne,
Mm-hmm.
they come up here with like it's kinda
Yeah.
like it's kinda difficult to come up as MC because when you're MC maybe for let's say 5 years. Then from Lapo they switch, but when I'm like MCing is not part of
Yeah.
like my trajectory, then they switch to with DJ.
Oh yeah, that makes sense.
And most abanye like
It's not even
uthola umuntu
artists,
bakaqala aba
even
MC.
artists. Even artists.
Yeah, uthola umuntu uqala aba MC then
Yeah.
the next thing akasafuna DJ sekazenzela yonke into just MC yena phinda as DJ ngizonga
Ah, true.
So will you consider DJing at some point?
No. I'll never consider DJing because
Why not?
Why?
I'm comfortable in this game. Because DJing is a new field now. I'll have to compete with proper DJs.
Yeah.
You see, I have to compete with people who have been in the game for the longest time.
True.
In MCing, I don't have competition now. I'm just doing what I love, bro. And it's what I'm comfortable in. Okay? This is my space. You see, nothing beats that, true.
Yeah.
Nothing beats that.
So you're trying to mean with there's no big MC at currently?
You know, we work, bro. But me, I won't give you PR questions.
Yeah.
Banyonan is the biggest thing in math now.
Money?
Me.
That's bad.
I like that.
So starting MC who like what pick like Boban? With Aile.
You see, okay, you
Or
have
when you push
to.
his style sa kwan.
Yeah, I'm pushing my style, man. But there's this MC, bro. You see, uncool kids, bro.
I'm cool.
That guy, you just leave him alone. That guy has a goal, bro.
Yeah.
Yo, he has the movement, he has the dances.
Yeah.
He makes sure that everyone is having fun. Uncool is such a goal. And he's not even trying so much, bro. It's talent.
It's talent.
Yeah.
It's talent.
I see that boy is chilled.
It's
But the way
chilled.
I pick out my god,
Yo. Uncool makes sure you have fun, bro.
yeah.
So that's my number one.
And now like how he says,
He's a good as well. Yeah.
This is our idea. It's on
And it is
that's from Dan. And this is the first person who recorded
Yeah, that's what I wanted to say.
Oh.
Yeah.
I'm not sure, but this is the first. Before I don't think my piano before Guba nama vocal. Beba shama remix ako na like yeah. Beba remix ami bingo miss trend da exact da. I'm a classic. Then only says a figure la
The first guy.
One of the first guys.
Yeah.
A figure la fire. I'm sure Fumba.
Yeah, sure. Yeah, he good.
But figure then ya kuba
But
kanja.
guys, I never has a big. I want even the sister Bettina song.
Yeah.
That outside tula da. Bega MC da.
He was freestyling. Meaning he was MC.
He was
just a
MC, yeah,
DJ there. And then he came with lyrics just from the head, just diving to the beat. That's MC.
Hi, man, you want to say no way.
The way Mamela got the time, I think when you're a student, but I think maybe you're the young mother who can record in your one take.
Yeah,
I think so. I think you want to so from the start to the end.
Yeah, I think so too. I think so too, bro. Yeah.
It's been there.
Yeah, so MCing has been there, bro.
Yeah.
MCing has been there. Just that now it gets fame and people are noticing MC.
Yeah, but I realize we need MCs and
Yeah.
Definitely, bro.
MCs are needed.
Definitely, bro. You're
Groove.
Yeah.
Gets boring.
Yeah, it gets boring because listening to DJ one set playing a song over and over
You
again.
know that song.
Yeah, you know
can sing
that
along,
song.
silly pants. My
Yeah.
is an MC now.
But now, if there's an MC now that tells you to do winya over la bala, the vibe is there now. You see? Yeah.
Like me, I've been chilling with a lot of artists, so then I know their lifestyle. What's after groove, like they take random hands from groove, so then. Do you know some?
We can't run away from that question. Yeah, but the money just want the car.
At some point, there will be some point whereby maybe let's say you're at the gig, maybe let's say it's your last gig, maybe at 10 p.m. So maybe everything.
Yeah.
Obviously, you chill, put some but then there will be some hands in your section. I'm going to see I'm in the section now. There will be some hands in the section. Then after that, my hands back in Hambana.
No.
And then don't tell me good are we born
my hands are going.
You know, yeah, it happens, man. But and
professional.
no. I'm not giving you. I'm not, guys. I'm not giving you PR answers here. We are talking here. No topic is off topic. Come on now. So yeah, just
and you'll understand.
It happens, bro. It happens, man. But again, I'm the type of person that I told you that coming to Hans, I don't just take any random Hans. I don't want to call Hans in the different names, but the Hans that don't respect themselves. Today the Hans is with me, the one you reclaim, I take after group. Tomorrow someone is performing there, is going with them. Bro, I can't be dealing with these type of Hans. I'm the type of person that needs a hand that's stable, bro. That will be there. Even if I perform, I can go with that hand at gigs. Because I know that this person is real.
So when I'm basically telling me, you can't date a hand with a local. That's basically what you're saying.
No. No.
So how was one of okay, no, right, right.
Because again, gents, you know, and this is a kind of issue what this generation is dealing with now. It's a problem. You have to get to know the person first. Just take your time, don't just you first week now. You saying I love you.
I love you.
I mean, it's a COVID now. Yeah, it happens with now. It's shy now. Everything it's good. Then it's about time with invite. Yeah. Then obviously there are hands there. Yeah.
It may not be you, but it's me. Someone in your team, maybe let's say someone in your team, maybe send so that happened.
It hasn't happened. If yet.
In my figure.
It hasn't happened.
In my figure.
Yeah.
It has happened, but not in my figure.
No, not even where I'm from, because after my gigs I buy. Because most of the gigs I don't have one gig, bro. You see? So it's never fun. Yeah, also here, I never have one gig. It's either 2 or 3. Because when I move from this place, I go to another place. After that, I'm tired. We have to sleep. It's early, around 5, 6. We have to go sleep now. There's no. Yeah.
So how do you manage? How do you manage like relationships, social life, and everything? Because you said Monday to Thursday, schoolwork. Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So then how do you manage your relationship?
Okay, this is where it gets tricky, gents, because you see, relationship is something that needs the both of you guys to it. But if the attention is there, bro, and you spend more time, you make time for that person, it will work. But in my chat, but you know, Hans University. You see, Hans University.
I get you, my brother.
You have to be picky.
Yeah, you have to be picky, bro. Because the person can be pretty, but can she like? Because I want a hand that handles business, a hand that knows her stand. Firstly, I have a huge personality. You know, I MC. I do this. I need a hand that's not so insecure, thinking. I need a hand that knows her space. And because I'm a busy person, I prefer to date a busy hand.
I feel like at some point, my brother, you need a hand who's in the same industry as you. Who's gonna understand you? It's gonna work. Trust me, it's gonna work. Listen, you must understand that.
No, you know what?
Listen, it's more like I'm to span and a manager. So what's to span is a group.
No.
I think it that way.
What do you think about your hand being your manager?
I'm not gonna wear. Goes what the money are coming.
Yes, manager
that is why but what I mean is like
Okay, answering your question there, I'll never let my hand to be my manager because hands are emotional beings, bro. Hands, they change a lot, bro. They can not. I'm not saying all of them, but most cases, business they can't be professional.
Yeah.
They let emotions, emotions get into the way. So yeah, I would never let my hand or my wife to be my manager. You need a provider that knows that, hey boy, we have to do this. Sometimes we compromise in this game, we have to do this and do this. But what? Yeah, because as well as I'm an artist, bro, sometimes we do favors because this is the game, bro. Tomorrow I need help from you. Hans will never understand that. They will say, if no money, he's not preaching.
It's emotional.
Cancel. Now that makes an artist to go down. You see, and you need your eyes. You need people seeing you. You need to sell yourself. So yeah, that's my chat on Hans being a manager.
So what are the most common things because of some artists like what's I feel?
Okay, first.
Hans first. I know.
Okay. I think, you know, I'm gonna be honest now, with artists, let's say artists, I think once they get a little bit of the taste there, they no longer work hard because they were hungry. They are not consistent.
You cooked.
Because when they get there now, they just relax and say, you know what, I'm a celebrity now. So why grind like how I did before? I'm gonna give you an example, bro. Before Shevchit got arrested, that guy, Shevchit keeps pushing, bro. That guy,
shut down. Hey, Joe.
And let me kick guy.
Yakumbula before I watch, I kick guy can cost over 1 million somewhere.
You know what? You know why?
Yeah,
you know that Shevchit is smart, bro. He doesn't say, okay, give me this a certain amount. Shevchit ubashapagadi number, boy. The number of events. And he said, no, just give me this small amount. Not like these artists who say, I want this big amount for this one event. Shevchit can have like, for example, man, I'm not saying that's what he does. I'm just saying that, for example, man, you can say, I want 100K for every event. And I can say, no, I want 25K for one event. You are going to have 2 gigs. I'm going to have like 30-something gigs. And I'll make more money. I'll make more money than you because you only have 2-3 gigs and I have
it's like these people have a full business today. Chiki sasa 100 million. Like I go patient.
Greed.
You need to start small.
Yeah, you need to get there.
You need to get there step by step.
I can't just because now I made a. Like, for example, if I make a song with DJ Mafuza, now I say, if you book me, put it down.
Just because he's stopping
because I got a little thing of, now I have to say, now, if you book me, it's 40 down. I'm clearly just that deal or not take it or leave it. That's not how it works. You need to keep being there and be reasonable with your pricing. So yeah. That's the check.
That's one of the things that causes it unfun.
Yeah, it is.
Other things?
Other things, bro. I don't know what.
Poor team.
Poor management.
Have you experienced like a pure management?
Poor management, no. Because before, okay, I left something. There was a hand that was managing me. That's my sister, Jens. I was underage. I was underage. My sister was managing me. My sister made sure that I get events. I have my peer picture. And she was a great manager, bro. But then she has her own life again. She needs to deal with things. That's when I decided to get a new manager. Someone who get me new events, do this and do that.
So how did you meet the new manager?
My new manager. We come from home.
Okay.
Same Kasi.
Same Kasi?
Boy. Yeah, he's my boy.
Shout out.
So yeah, we met here.
So basically he understands you.
He understands me, he understands
where you come from.
Yeah, so you can't just take anyone and say, hey, I'm a manager. You can't do that. The person needs to know.
He's a good manager.
Yeah, he is. Yeah, he is.
I was talking to him like in also, this one.
Yeah, he is a good manager, I think. But yeah,
and then shout out to
shout out to my sister, she was holding business, bro. She made sure I was there. These radio stations, I was in radio stations when I was like 16, bro.
Which radio station?
my sister made sure I get them. There was mom's radio FM, I was there. Daily, I was there. So hey bro, shout out to my sister. Yeah, man.
How did you feel like when was your first like big gig? You wanna go like how they are
Yo, you know in PTA bro they post. And you feel the pressure. You feel the pressure. And you know, we fight with artists, bro. Because I remember there was this huge artist, this boy called Slam Boy Gupta from Mamelodi. So yeah, you know, if you know Slam Boy Gupta, that boy cooks, bro. Yo, the boys are gold. So yeah, we're there. That's when I felt the pressure because people want Slam Boy Gupta. Yeah. But then when I introduced him to the stage, people loved me because I introduced the best to the stage. Yeah, you see.
Okay.
Yeah. So yeah, bro, pressure is there. Pressure is there.
Okay, like, how do you feel, Jamo?
Because now, before, I was nervous, bro. Before I was the type, yeah. But I didn't have stage fright because I'm a bubbly person, boy. I'm used to being in front. I'm used to, you know. Before, bro, THATA, before I go on stage.
Yeah, that's great. Oh, you've never like started. Oh, NATHI.
Because now it's different. Because now I'm one with this thing. I'm one with this game. I'm one with gigs. Now when I get there, bro, I even want to look people in the eyes. I want to make sure you're focusing on me.
Sure.
I give every single one in that room attention. You see, because now it's my job. Now I'm used to it. Now I don't have.
You just don't walk my plan.
There was even questions like, boy, Freshers gonna be packed. Are you?
Yeah, that's what I'm asking. Yeah,
Freshers is nothing, bro. Like you from PTA.
I'm from PTA, bro. You know, you guys like
Yeah.
packed away. So yeah, pressure's not there now. Now I'm not feeling no pressure. Because I'm used to this. Yeah.
What happened to the freshers content like?
According to you, like, did they inform you before they inform us, or you knew?
Because I was not only the MC there, I was also a promoter for freshers. We had a meeting. We were told that
that day, Friday.
Yeah, because things were not looking good regarding the stage.
Regarding the stage?
Yeah, you see, the stage was in water, bro, and artists can't perform there. It was gonna sink in. Yeah, it was bad. It was bad. It was bad. And you know, with these big events, you know that people are gonna be. There are protocols to be followed. You can't just say, you know what, at the last day, let's move it from there. Let's go make it somewhere else. It can work because you need people who are gonna ensure that safety. Yeah, we're gonna make sure that people will be safe here. You get, so you can't just move it like that.
Because anything can happen. Can't control if there's an emergency that's happening. These are exit points.
These are exit. You have people.
Resident areas. Noise pollution.
So hosting a huge event like this, you can't just say last minute day, no, gents, because now we can't use that plan. We have to make it. It's not easy like that.
So then when planning, didn't they consider what such things will happen? Because it's
on that I don't know, because I'm not that in that room. I'm just a promoter there. But what I know is it wouldn't, like, if we pushed we wouldn't have enjoyed. Come on, gents, you saw what was happening there. Water was everywhere, bro. You're telling me Uncle Waffles and DJ Maporisa with his Balenciaga shoe, he'll go through the mud.
So then, what did you like? What did you guys talk about in that meeting? It was held like that Friday that we were informed, or it was held before?
Yeah, the Friday you were informed because they had to set them down as well. Because you know there are levels to these things. They had to tell them that, guys, this is not gonna work. They had to tell the organizers that this is not gonna work. To tell them that, you see, now if you are hosting these students in this kind of place, what happens if, like, you saw the place, how's the place? What happens now if the students, something happens, this person collapses? How ambulance? Like, you
Oh,
understand?
yeah.
You're no.
Yeah, so planning an event is something else.
Planning an event is not easy.
It's not
Who plans like this event, freshers, the SCC?
Yeah, I think it's the SCC, yeah.
Hey, your name was fire.
Yeah, the lineup was yeah. They were cooking, bro. I say let us not beat them down, because when they were doing good, we were all there cheering for them. But then now, because this unfortunate thing happened to them, we're saying, they're useless. We should not say that, bro.
But now people will understand also it's for their safety.
Yes, for their safety, bro.
According to you, when do you think the next freshers will be hosted?
As for yet, I'm not sure, bro, because they have not had a meeting again to discuss it. So we'll be informed. And just like everyone now, we're waiting for information.
The rain.
Yeah, the rain, ish, bruh. And you know what, ish, my problem with this weather, bruh. Sunday, it's all clear, bruh.
Monday, like Monday, I won't know
Yeah, all clear.
Yeah, like perfect. From next day until late, I won't know fun.
Yeah, it is in the second, you say my class.
Hey. Ish. Yeah, gents. That's what happened on
So then what happens to you guys? Like when we say the money, what to say what we kill then?
Now you see,
You're not Patalin?
no. With freshers, no.
Oh,
I'm
hey.
getting payment because I'm working there.
You're working there.
Yeah.
Oh.
I have not, no. You see, maybe artists will do something, but I don't know. I can't answer for them. What I know is my piece. They have not, anything like that. Yeah. You
I'm
can
sure you're prepared or you're ready.
With me, bro, it's the same
Always
thing.
prepared.
It's just fun. Just
So much of
Rock.
what happens now?
Come on, man.
So what happens now? What happens now if, like, okay, the MC1, MC2, then now then I steal your lines. Okay, not basically stealing your lines. Then like,
that happened,
That happens.
Yeah.
basically, also issue. Now like you have to repeat the same thing now.
You see, this is why I had a problem. I was at the gig Friday, after 14 Junction, I had another gig. Now I get there, and this guy has been an MC since 10, and I got there at that place around 1:30 in the AMs. I have to perform now. So this guy has the lines, and as he sees me, he spies me and says my lines. He's like, HOMONATI. And the crowd was booing, bro. I don't know why. The crowd was booing because they saw me. Yeah. The crowd saw me coming in the place. Now they're like, what is he doing now? No, people were like, get him off the stage. Get him off the stage. Because, I don't know, bro. But he was saying my lines. I don't know, maybe he was having fun. But with me, I don't beef, because MC is just MC, bro. We having fun there.
Hey, it means you must be unique when it comes to
How do you be unique?
You see, if you take your time and just listen to how I MC, then you compare me to other MCs. How I MC, bro, it's like I'm freestyling to these.
Using your own lines.
Using my own lines.
Okay.
I'm not an MC just because I'm gonna say la la la. I bring in something different, and I see in math, MCs don't do this. They don't write their own lines. They do everything that every guy does or every MC does.
True.
But since I got here, they know there's only one Mr. HOMONATI. You never find another MC saying HOMONATI, because that's only me, and those are my lines.
Shout out to you.
Yeah.
That's good. Yeah, that's a point.
That's how you be unique.
Most
different.
MCs very still.
Yeah.
How do you do that? We don't need you say clears. We need
Two. You don't need Licheza too. You don't need Uncool too.
How my bad.
Really, you MC.
If you uncool, this is on book.
Yeah. Now you're trying to be you wanna be. Yeah, I don't do that.
That's not good. Yeah.
That's
So then, what are you looking up to this coming year and the following years?
Looking up to making myself a brand ambassador.
Yeah.
If there are brands there, come on, hit me up. Let's
Come on,
work.
man.
Come on now. Let's work. And then to more gigs, bro, more collaborations. One hour I can put Muff in place. Yeah.
Do you consider sharing the hip hop level?
Consider what?
Like the hip hop level, the MCing hip hop type of thing.
No, boy. You see,
It's difficult, isn't it?
Nah, with hip hop, bro. Nah, I don't. When DJs play hip hop, I leave it like that. DJs play Afro, I live it. They play Legombo, I live it. But when DJs play Bacardi and Amapiano, that's when I MC.
But then I feel like when it comes to these other like genres, it's difficult to do that, right?
Yeah, it's difficult to do
Because
that.
already they have a line. I mean the what's
Yeah,
vocals,
there are vocals there.
But hip hop was because space has been because there's an into verse
Hip hop,
chorus, then you have MC. Then when you play Masam Chai, then you two like man.
You can MC.
But then I guess like you see even these artists when they perform their songs, right? Like they don't like say word to word. Like they pass chilling those up and I say what and stuff like that.
Yeah, but then that's easier when it's your song.
Like
Aries. You know how Aries cooks? Aries cooks when he performs, bro. That guy's a performer.
Best artist.
Yeah, he's a hidden now, bro.
Best artist.
Yeah.
Nesty is best artist. Nesty. Shout out to Nesty.
Yeah, well, I guess.
I'm always fighting with my brother.
You guys are fighting.
Nesty C, Aries.
Yeah. Well, I'm a slime.
Aries, bro.
I'm a slime.
Yeah, I understand you because you're from PTA.
I'm a slime as well, so it's Reese every day, bro. Aries cooks. Yeah.
But then I feel like being in MC, being a fame guy, the taste of fame can make you like lose your trajectory. Masas. Can make you lose like your trajectory. Maybe the thing you plan to get this. Then uthola ifame uthola abantu amazana then soyatshintsha manje so you're not the person.
This is why I say every artist does that. And that's bro, I've chilled with artists, bro. I don't want to name drop. I've chilled with big artists, you may know. Artists, you know that they have girlfriends or whatever. I've chilled with my boy Yunli. Yunli, the guy that sings Yazi Mandagi. Yeah, I've chilled with him. He's my boy. We chill. Okay. And then others now. Okay, Yunli. And there's, they're not that huge, bro. They're just in the surface. About Dr. Malinga, because Dr. Malinga.
Shout out,
So shout out to them, bro.
What? OG.
Dr. Malinga does that?
No.
No, not. I dog, come on, dog.
So,
Dr. Malinga chills with our Lee and they have their own thing going on. So yeah, shout out to them. Yeah.
So,
but answering your question, nah, bro. You see, with this ham thing, boy, you have to be in this game. You have to be focused.
True.
Because also me, I tell myself, bro, I don't want to be cocky. I don't want to be I don't want to be arrogant.
Yeah.
I don't tell myself that I can have all the hands here. Because at the end of the day, every hand has their own type, bro. I can't be every hand.
I was listening to this other video yesterday. That bro cooks. It's like especially man. Then so when I want to get now. And now it's just more like uda. So you can share everywhere.
That's why also
even the old ones that rejected you, they wanna come now. So because when I no, so for share.
Where the police 8. I want to tell man. But you didn't want me then, but now that I'm up, you want me now.
But then other is good, we have time and now it's because of you.
It's because now you're there.
Must keep it. We fail in all of that and then sit better when so I guess
no,
I don't think so.
This is why I said I want a hand that's gonna be there when I'm not an MC, when I'm not getting booked. I need a hand who's gonna say, this is my man, no matter what or what on stage or whatever. I need that type of hand. I don't need someone who's here because I'm on the stage today. Tomorrow when I'm not, she's not there. I don't want that.
That is why I would appreciate which are like TSHEPO.
True.
Then when I get there, I to sharp.
She's the realist.
Not those already saying that you don't know whether to turn away because of the.
And I had this conversation with my parents. I told them that if I make it to the top, without a hand being by my side.
It's
For them to not expect me to get married, I'm not gonna get married.
It's China, man.
I told them that I'm not gonna get married because I made it to the top without that hand being on my side.
It's China.
Are you telling me I must? You see, I want something to grow up with. I want someone to be there
Because
for my ups and downs and say that, hey, yeah, this guy has been struggling, bro. From Raira Savannah now, he's getting sick. Yeah. I want someone who's gonna be there till I make it to the top. Yeah.
So, what?
Yeah, like Nasty.
Yo, Nasty C, bro, you are, yo.
Like Nasty.
Shout out.
You see, shout out.
Say we
bro.
have it from high school, right?
Yeah.
From high school, yeah.
Oh.
Till now.
Till now. You see,
Mm.
that hand
That's-
knows Nasty, bro. When Nasty was not even huge, that hand knows Nasty.
Shout out.
Yeah.
So then, what's your plan like in the future, like as like ufunda,
Yeah.
you planning on securing like another career and MCing or just MCing?
You know, MCing is what I do for fun. So, I love education, bro. I love education. So, after getting my degree, I'm gonna go for my masters.
Mara, don't you think like education and MCing like they?
No, look.
Because let's say you're a teacher, maybe to sit in school, then they say, yo, I'm so now.
No, I'm not.
Oh, okay, my question
Now,
is,
so
another
I'm
question
not-
is before you answer that, so or you done?
I'm done.
So like another question, let the degree fundela is it aligned with the MCing?
No.
Nah, education.
You're
Yeah,
doing
it's
education?
Yeah.
Okay.
But-
Yeah, wait, wait,
Oh,
wait.
I don't understand. I thought you were
But-
making an example.
No. Again,
Yeah.
I'm not gonna teach. I'm not gonna be a teacher.
Mm.
I'm doing this education now because I want to get to my profession, which is being a lecturer.
Oh.
Yeah, I'm not gonna be a teacher. I'm gonna do
Same thing,
practicals.
bro. Lectures, dog. I'm with
You know,
you here.
funny fact. You know the guy that hosts at 14 Junction. That guy's our lecturer here.
Serious?
Yeah,
Yeah.
and we host, and he's a lecturer here. You see, you're not.
And this guy also went on a paper days.
Yeah, he works here as well. You see,
Lecture.
now he's a resident officer here. You see, when you're in that space, boy, you're not captured. You're not
Now,
captured.
besides that, I feel like if Uspani University, we're more matured than like high school.
Yeah.
Because in another school is not there. That's the one.
Yeah.
Because on Friday.
Oh, we're
So
not saying-
I'm driving.
Yeah, we
Actually, I've
don't
been-
yeah, we don't get to do the university. We understand we
Yeah.
adults here.
Yeah, we're adults, bro.
Yeah.
And again, bro, I'm not gonna teach. I'm just gonna do my practicals. After that, I further my education. Then I get my master's.
When are you like me?
Yeah.
Yeah. I also wanna do that. Like I don't wanna be like in an industrial world.
Yeah.
I wanna go to an academia journey, like way. Be in lecture, doesn't
Come on. Yeah. Yes, that's it, bro.
So that's what
boy.
you're focusing more on like the end goal is to become a lecturer, but okay, but I can't say then just doing MCing for fun.
Yeah, I'm just doing MC.
But if it booms up,
comes.
then
Yeah.
oh, come on.
But
man.
again, if it gets there again, even if it gets there, bro, I'm gonna still be in my
But
school studying. You get. I might be, even if I'm in my mansion, I might not come to campus. I might be a distant learning person. You get. But then I'm still gonna study because I love education. Yeah.
Shout out to education. Shout out to education.
Shout out to education, bro.
Good, you're doing things that you love, bro.
Yeah.
We must go to school, guys.
Let's go to again. Then
Yeah,
we must go to
we must
school.
be
We can't all be what MCs now.
And DJs.
And DJs. Nah, go
Come
to
on
school.
now.
Be a lecturer.
You know, the other reason now. You know what? Something leaked, bro. When you said that, there was this guy, bro, who was like, you know, he found out that I'm doing music, like baking gas. He was like, Jens, go to school. All the artists.
I'm about to yeah.
Yeah, but I want to
telling you, bro.
say that like already send the picture, you know, like just imagine you get this school. Open the door to the
I'm the school.
What's the school for?
For mass.
No.
So that's when I did it, and I was on my way there to quit. I was like, this guy's making sense. This guy's making sense, bro.
You're on
Because
your way to
to quit music.
Was it like a producer or something?
What? No, it was some
Just
random
like
guy.
Oh,
Yeah, it was just.
you're recording a song.
Can
Then
you
after
focus
recording,
this?
but boy, go focus.
You know that's far, bro. Yeah.
So then what are some of the criticisms you face with music, with being an MC?
With being an MC.
Besides
challenges.
Criticism, like you want to generally but criticize, "Aye, we can't all be MCs."
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, obviously it's gonna be a bad what?
What?
Yeah, what am I saying?
Oh, no, it's negative.
Yeah, negativity.
And
Yeah.
another thing, another criticism,
Yes.
for example, another criticism that we face, it's about DJs hating MCs for no reason.
Yeah, you see,
Yeah.
it's only that. It's only DJs, chat. But then I know my work, and I don't need any DJ to carry me because I carry myself. You see,
Yeah.
these DJs, bro, they have their own reasons why they don't want MCs. I can't say now, why are you doing this? Because it's your set. At the end of the day, you have to perform. That's how you feel like. You get. So with that, I love to give DJ their spaces. If you feel like you're not comfortable with me MCing, it's good. Play your set. Then I'll MC for other DJs.
So you talk to them first before you.
Yeah. So my manager makes talks with
everything.
the
Yeah.
So that's when I just know that here I MC, here I don't. You get. And some people, you know, bro, some people just have, and you know that thing of hating someone, you don't know even why you hating them.
Sure.
Yeah, that happens. That happens to us MCs.
Yeah. But at some point, like they hate tends to you cannot choose to go to if someone hates you for no reason.
Let me see that one.
They may be like bad tired for some sort of reason and so on. But then my bad.
It is what it is, Chance. It is what it is.
So like, how do like people get hold of you when they wanna book, when they wanna get in touch, when they want like everything, socials, when they wanna follow you, they wanna see your work.
Okay, for following me, just following me. I don't have Instagram. And they
How come?
I saw that.
Yeah, I don't have Instagram.
I saw that. No Instagram, no Facebook.
Yeah, I don't have
You're still working on
Instagram. My manager is trying to get me in that. You see, I'm not the type of person that's on socials and whatever. I enjoy TikTok more because TikTok is just videos, we're having fun. I don't
It's
know.
easier to sell your work.
Yeah, I don't get the hype about Instagram, but I'll make sure I get an Instagram account soon and work on my Facebook. And but then just follow me, Bunny09, bad boy from the West on TikTok.
09 is a number of it.
Yeah, 009. Then you write it like that. And then for booking, you contact Saint M. You said Saint M on Instagram, Saint M TikTok. You get them. Then there are numbers there. Can they show on the screen?
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll do that. We'll do that.
Yeah.
Don't
So
worry.
just check the numbers for booking me and talk to Saint M. Then let's work.
Saint M.
Issue.
I take you
Would you
for
say-
my man.
When you say you're not a social person,
I am a social butterfly, bro.
you are.
I am, bro. Like I chill, bro.
Why don't you have Insta? Personal Insta, not for
Listen, I'm asking myself a simple
like for personal, not for like
not for work. It's
not for like, but for you
Yeah.
personal.
Again, I never got the hype about Insta.
Yes.
Boy, Insta, I just find it that gents only have Insta to go see those beautiful hands.
Those fake eyes.
So I'm not interested. I'm not interested in those type of things, bro. But then it has been brought to me that having Insta, artists might contact me.
Exactly, because I feel like a lot of artists, that's what they use the most, Instagram.
To talk.
Yeah, you can take them. You know,
They reply fast. My Twitter now. The Twitter got reply.
I've never had Twitter before. I don't even know what's happening there.
Say, I won't just wake up and say I want an X account.
Twitter.
I hate that by THATA serious.
By THATA serious.
By reply.
Yeah.
It's not to Elon Musk reply.
But then by Instagram, dog.
You tell him, I wanna. You tell him, I can't text that reply. Now, can I use it serious?
Okay, imagine, not like.
Instagram, dog.
Not anymore.
They reply. They reply.
Even
Even if
Yeah,
they're gonna see.
Yeah.
For the fact that it's okay, even if I reply, as long as it's take, at the end of the day, also
Yeah, when I'm on let's say YouTube channel, I could buy penny. if Baba text on Twitter, there are high chances we wasn't reply from them. Then Baba check look in I go Facebook so to look at you. Can you use text like Facebook? Most send this time yourself come and you are saying that.
Put tweet up before it was because I'm an artist was manager I tweet. It's compared with other accounts, other platforms.
Yeah.
I'm manager.
So I think that's what I would do. My manager would run that Instagram page because I don't want it in my phone, bro. Yeah, just for that bookings and whatever. Yeah, it's gonna be managed.
Type shit.
But then you don't want your personal Instagram though.
I'm not the part that you're going to build this part, but personal.
Even personal.
Okay, let me tell you, Instagram is fun.
I don't get that.
Like,
I don't want Instagram in my phone. I don't even have it.
I'm saying this because you want sponsors.
I don't want Instagram in my phone, bro. I'm just good. You see, apps like Facebook and not Instagram, but Facebook. I find the platform toxic. I find it,
especially the computer.
I find it toxic, bro. I find it toxic. So I prefer not having them to not. I prefer not to have them because my mental health is important to me. Not even, bro, because bad comments they don't get to me, bro. Because at the end of the day, you're just
maybe you
sitting
haven't get to that stage like where it's like I want bakuluma.
You
probably have like good people.
Yeah, because when you do something different, people will always talk.
On TikTok.
Or not on TikTok, in personal life, and also in performing, also in Facebook.
Oh, okay.
You see,
what's the worst comment like we're talking? Like in person.
Besides liberty, go to school.
Yeah, in person.
Okay, in person, nah, bro. I don't think they get, but there are comments where like they say, what is he trying? This is like in my class they didn't have podcast. I brought podcasting. I say, who's gonna watch that? And then they watched. They are haters, but they watched. Yeah. They were like, this boy, he's making himself something. He thinks he's somebody. You see. Yeah. So people always talk, bro. There'll always be like bad comments. But they don't get to me because I have a bigger personality. You just texting there, you're not doing anything. Because if we compare now and say, look at what he has done and look at what you have done, the person who's saying all these bad things about me, nothing. You're just there having fun on your phone. Phones are landed in the wrong hands.
It's like
I get that. Everyone just says whatever they feel like.
That's bad.
So just
So my brother, please tell them to subscribe, my brother, to watch VSOP.
ISHU.
Yeah, like to support us. We need supporters. We need people.
Hey, good people, come on now.
Come on now.
Hey.
Give us a set, like 2 minutes set.
Okay, let me do this now. Fair to please like, share, and subscribe on the VSOP. This is the best podcast these gents are cooking. Come on now, watch this, and I tell you, HOMONATI, THATA, HOMONATI, THATA, THATA, ISHU.